Hey Slayers, welcome back to my channel. My name is Shay Charisse. If you guys are new here, don't forget to subscribe if you guys want to see more videos on fashion and DIY. So today's video is going to be a little bit different. I wanted to introduce this segment on my channel where it's basically 5-minute DIYs. So for my first DIY, I wanted to recreate a look that I recently wore to an event. And I wore a top, it was a men's top actually, and I tied it around my waist and I wore a normal top over that. And I got the inspiration from Kim Kardashian. So today I'm going to show you guys how I did that. So this is the top that I used in the video. And it's just an extra large button down t-shirt. What I recommend you guys to do is get a top from the men's section, preferably the plus size, that's 2 sizes bigger than you, and then get a top that covers your butt. So for me, this is perfect, but another way you can tell if the top will be perfect for this DIY is if it passes your palm. You know, in middle school when they would tell you fingertip length, make sure it's above fingertip length because, you know. So yeah, so this is the top that I'm going to be using in the DIY video. And like I said, it's always going to be a little bit shorter in the front and longer in the back. You don't want to get a top that's exactly your size because when you actually tie it around, it's going to be hiked up. So because of that, you want to leave some room. All right guys, start out by opening up your top, flipping the collar down, and we're gonna button it to the tightest that we possibly can, and then we're gonna just get to the middle and leave it there. So you see this extra fabric at the back? You want to fold that over and down and then pull it up and pull it really, really tightly against your body. And we're actually going to do a temporary knot here. So move that out the way, and then we're going to pull it really tightly against our butt, opening up one button to give us some room, and just tie a simple knot. And I decided to use a safety pin. You guys can actually just fold it over or up into the skirt. So take your safety pins, take the 2 flaps, pin them together, and then secure it to the back. We're going to tie our knot and we're going to pull it really tightly, and this will just cinch us in. And that's it guys, this was a simple, easy DIY. It took me maybe a minute to actually complete, and I love how unique it looks. Guys, thank you so much for watching. If you guys recreate this look, make sure to tag me on Instagram and Twitter. And see you later, girl.